Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make extra whitening mulatto oil. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of our upcoming videos. So let's get started. So firstly, you need carrot oil, which is a triple action oil. It helps to remove dark spots, sunburn, dark skin patches. It unifies the skin complexion, it lightens and moisturizes the skin. You need blue bleaching oil, which unifies the skin complexion and whitens the skin. You need gluta white oil, which is also a whitening oil. It whitens the skin and unifies the skin complexion. You need so white oil, which is a strong whitenizer. You need gold skin oil, which is a 10 days whitening oil that contains argan oil. It whitens and unifies the skin complexion. You need citroclear serum, which contains lemon extract. It lightens the skin and treats skin reactions. You need propylene glycol to help this oil penetrate the skin. And you need coconut oil, which is a carrier oil that lightens the skin, moisturizes the skin and unifies the skin complexion. You can also use any other carrier oil in place of this coconut oil. So firstly, I'm putting 900 ml of coconut oil. Next, I'm putting 100 ml of blue bleaching oil. After which, I'm putting 100 ml of so white oil. Then I'm putting 100 ml of gluta white oil. I'm now putting 50 ml of carrot oil. Next, I'm putting 1 citroclear serum. After which, I'm putting 30 ml of goat skin oil. Then I'm putting 20 ml of propylene glycol. I'm just mixing the oil properly, after which I'll package it. Guys, to use this oil, you first check it properly before application. For best results, you use it in the morning and at night. Also, don't forget to scrub your skin at least twice a week to achieve that flawless white skin. This oil is super effective. It whitens the skin very fast. So if you are dark, you would want to avoid this oil. You can also use this oil to activate your body cream, especially if you are not used to applying body oil. While using this oil, try to avoid direct contact with the sun, or you can go out wearing your sunscreen. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.